Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GEUI board kit part #WJ26X27696. The GEUI board kit part #WJ26X27696 is a replacement part for General Electric (GE) appliances. It is a user interface board that is used to control the functions of the appliance. The board includes a display, buttons, and other components that allow the user to interact with the appliance. The board also contains circuitry that allows it to communicate with other components in the appliance. This kit includes all of the necessary components to replace an existing user interface board in a GE appliance. It is designed for use with select models of GE. This part fixes the following symptoms. The GEUI board kit part #WJ26X27696 is designed to fix the following symptoms. 1. Washer won't start. 2. Washer won't spin. 3. Washer won't agitate. 4. Washer is noisy during operation. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unboxing the GEUI board kit part #WJ26X27696. Make sure all components are present and in good condition. 2. Turn off the power to the appliance before beginning installation. 3. Remove the existing control board from the appliance and disconnect all wiring harnesses from it. 4. Install the new control board in place of the old one, making sure to align it properly with the mounting holes in the appliance cabinet. 5. Connect all wiring harnesses to their corresponding terminals on the new control board, taking care to ensure that each. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.